This is not one of those clickbaiter videos. This is a real warning for anybody who is thinking about joining LiveGood. What's up? It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now, LiveGood is one of these companies, new companies that a lot of network marketers and affiliate marketers are talking about. There are a lot of people joining LiveGood right now. There's also a lot of people quitting LiveGood right now, and there's just as many people thinking about joining LiveGood. Now, if you're not too familiar with what LiveGood is, it's pretty much a network marketing slash affiliate marketing business opportunity in the health and wellness industry. What LiveGood is about is offering high quality supplements, all right, for very affordable prices. And how they do this is they offer a $9.95 a month membership, and this gives people access to like some of the most popular supplements, their supplement brand, at very, very affordable prices. So to become a business builder and start making money with LiveGood, you do have to become an affiliate, all right? And how you become an affiliate, you pay $49.95. Now, it's $9.95 to become a LiveGood member. This will give you discount prices and stuff on supplements, and it's a one-time fee of $40 to become an affiliate. Now that fee will allow you to build, an unlimited income. So pretty much it's $49.95, $50 to start your LiveGood business. Now, with all that being said, there are some things that I think you should know before getting involved with LiveGood, because I see this opportunity being promoted in so many different ways, and trying to get people to sign up, trying to get people to join. So before I even go any further into this video, I am a LiveGood member. So I am somebody speaking from the inside, right? Inside the company, knowing what's going on, and who has been actively promoting this for the last few weeks. So a big selling point that a lot of people who are promoting LiveGood are using is to be able to earn over $2,000 a month without recruiting anyone. All right. Now, here's the thing about that. I think when I first started promoting LiveGood, I think I even did a video talking about it. A lot of people on Facebook, have been making posts about this and YouTube videos. But here's the deal. All right. I'm gonna keep it all the way real. That whole earn $2,047 with no recruiting, as a LiveGood member, is it possible? Is it realistic? It actually is. But to be honest with you, if you come into this business with that mindset, thinking that like all you got to do is pay the $9.95 a month and just sit back and do absolutely nothing, I wouldn't get involved with LiveGood, because in my opinion, the chances of that happening is little, in my opinion, because you're really sitting back and counting on a lot of people to do a lot of work for you to actually get that $2,000, right? So I feel like a lot of people are actually joining based off of that. They're literally been told like, hey, listen, pay this $49.95, all right? Then you pay $10 a month, and you just sit back. And maybe in a year, maybe in 6 months, you'll be getting a check for $2,000 every month. And a lot of people are like, ooh, I could do that. This is better than the stock market. I just got to invest $10 and then I'll get $2,000 a month in the future. That could happen. But look, I would not count on that. And if you're that type of person, I don't think this opportunity for you. You might get lucky and get that whole spillover and get that kind of money, but I would not count on it. And another selling point that people are using when it comes to LiveGood is it's extremely easy. It's the easiest money you could ever make, online. Like the best network marketing, best affiliate marketing opportunity ever. This is too easy. And to be honest with you, it actually could be the easiest money you ever made. But what a lot of people are leaving out who's promoting LiveGood is you do have to put in work to actually earn real money with LiveGood. So what I'm saying is, if you decide to join LiveGood, I highly suggest you take this serious, right? Don't come in like, oh, this is just easy. I don't gotta do too much, you know what I'm saying? I just do a post here, post there, tell a couple people about it, then I should be rolling in the dough, right? Nah, like you gotta come in like, this is a business. Like I'm about Live Good. And you can have other stuff going on if you want. You can have your 9 to 5, you can have other side hustles. But when it comes to Live Good, if you really want to get those thousands of dollars a month that everybody talk about, treat it like a business. Like straight up, make time for it. Decide how you're gonna promote it. Right? Decide, like, are you gonna, use Facebook? Are you gonna do YouTube, Facebook Reels, TikTok? Whatever your style is, you got to decide it and have a plan, right? Even if you want to take it offline, right? Go to vendor events or hit up grocery stores, whatever you feel comfortable doing. The bottom line is, if you want to be successful with Live Good, you're going to have to take it serious and really promote it. If you don't believe me, think about it. If you look at all the people, right, that's making Live Good videos and they're doing like income claims and this and that, and they're telling you how much they make and how big their team is. Look at all these people. If you don't take my word for it, just do your own research. All these people are making tons of content based around Live Good. A lot of people are posting daily, whether it be on Facebook or whether it be YouTube videos. People are posting. The most successful people post a lot. They put out a lot of content talking about Live Good. Now, if you are that type of person, then I say go for it. But if you're not willing to actually promote and like seriously promote, I mean, beware, right? You're probably not going to earn too much money with this opportunity. And that's how I recently earned my first commission from Live Good. It's simply by just posting content. And I ain't gonna lie, it felt extremely good to see that first commission come in, that first person that actually became an affiliate, and I got paid for it. Super cool. So there is no magic trick to that. It's just a matter of, do you want to take it serious, and how much are you willing to promote this opportunity? Now, another thing that you need to understand, in my opinion, to make a lot of money, you do really need to build up your team. You should really be trying to recruit a lot of people, and I'm gonna tell you why. Say for an example that you personally bring in 100 people into your Live Good business. That's gonna bring you in $2,500, and that's dope, right? $2,500, that's cool. Now, what's up with the monthly income? So if you bring in 100 people, which is really good, and just say those 100 people didn't do anything at all. They didn't recruit nobody. They didn't bring nobody else in, whatever. Your monthly residual income is going to be around like $25 a month, right? So you want to make sure you bring in a lot of people to Live Good, and you really need to hope that these people recruit too. Now, on the flip side of that scenario, say you personally bring in 100 people yourself, and just 5 people decide, like, you know what, I really like this. I'm gonna go hard as hell with this opportunity. Now, say 5 people actually start making $2,000 a month from their Live Good business, because they just go-getters. They go hard as hell. Now, Live Good has something that's really cool and very enticing, which is a matching bonus. After you hit, I think after bronze, after you bring in like 2 people, which is not difficult, that makes you eligible to get a 50% check match bonus for everybody you bring in to the company. So where if you had 100 people and they didn't do anything, your monthly check is going to be trash, versus if you had 100 people and just 5 of them was making $2,000 a month, you're going to get 50% of that $2,000 each person bringing in. So now your monthly income is going to be $5,000 every single month just from them 5 people, what they're doing. So obviously you could do the math, and play with the numbers and be like, ooh, what if I bring in 200 people and 30 people start making, $1,000 or $2,000? You get it. The earning potential is definitely there. But these are things that you should be aware of before you jump into this opportunity. This is a legit opportunity. People really are getting paid by doing this, but I just think a lot of people go into it with the wrong mindset and the wrong understanding of how LiveGood actually works. So if after watching this video, you're like, you know what? I get what he's talking about. I'm ready to rock and roll. I get it. I'm gonna take this serious. I'm about that money. I'm about that grind. If that's you, I definitely want you on my team so we can grow our LiveGood businesses together. So once you get signed up and become an affiliate, I will personally reach out to you and help you get everything set up so you can start building your income.